solution of quadratic equation. In last lecture, we complete our exercise 4.1 and taking some sums, extra sum. Now, new topic. Solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. In this chapter, we make quadratic equation. First, we check it is quadratic or not. Then we find we make given problem and make it is in mathematically. It makes quadratic equation. Now we solve this equation by three methods. In this chapter, three methods: factorization, completing square method, and formula, quadratic formula, by quadratic formula. Here, the method is factorization. We know factors. It is using factors. Which method? We use splitting method, middle term split. This in standard 9 we learn splitting method of factorization. Now, when a real number alpha is said to be 0 or root 0 solution are same, or root of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 if a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. Here real number alpha is said to be root of this equation. Here root of equation is x. Here root of equation a alpha square plus b alpha plus c is equal to 0. So root is alpha. The zeros of quadratic polynomial ax square plus polynomial is in the form is this, not equal to 0. If polynomial equating with 0, then it becomes quadratic equation. Quadratic equation and quadratic polynomial are like quadratic equation is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, and quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Then it is not 0, it is not in equating form, then it is polynomial. Of quadratic polynomial ax square, zeros of, we know in second chapter, find the zeros of quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial zeros are, a quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros, It has 1 zeros, no zeros, but maximum 2 zeros. It has most 2 zeros, not more than 2 zeros. The zero of quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c and the roots of quadratic equation, its zeros and its roots are same. Or zeros of quadratic polynomial, quadratic equation, but here words roots of quadratic equation are same. If we have found the roots of quadratic equation by factorization method, equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 into two factors. Which are factors? Which type of these factors? These factors are linear factors, not quadratic. Quadratic, then we find linear factor and equating each factor to 0. If we have found the roots, then we find zeros of roots of quadratic equation. Now we take example number 3. Find the roots of the equation by factorization. It is, what is equation? Equation is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0. Equation is 2x minus 5x plus 3 equals to 0. It is our quadratic equation. Now we factorization it by splitting method. middle term split. 5x as split. The multiplication of these two splitted terms, these both terms is 3 to the 6x square. Then we split when the factor of 6x square, its sum is 5x. Therefore, it becomes 2x square. Sum of, here sign is sign positive, then its sum sums is 5x. Suppose its sign is negative, here 6x square sign is multiplication product of first term and last term is minus, is negative, then our splitting middle terms and subtract two terms. Here added two terms is as 5. 3 to the 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Or 6 1 the 6. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. But here plus, not minus. Don't see this sign. See first multiplication of both terms. Its sign becomes positive. 3 to the 6x square, positive 6x square. Therefore its sum. Then 3 to the 6, 2x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 3 equals to 0. Given two terms, same sign. You know this factorization method. You learn this in standard 9. Now 2x square minus 3x minus 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Common term is x, 2x minus 3 minus, here 1, change the sign in because there is a minus sign in preceding where minus sign into bracket. 2x minus 3 equals to 0. Common factor 2x minus 3 and x minus 1 equals to 0. Here both are factors of this equation. They are in the form of linear equation. Here 2x minus 3, x minus 1. Both are linear. But we say that equation by factorization equation into two linear factor, each factor to 0. Equating each factor to 0. Then equating two factors. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 1 is equal to 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 or otherwise you see 2x minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then 2x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 2, x is equal to 0 plus 1, x is equal to 1. We solve this equation by factorization and then getting the value of x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1. We verify this equation. We put here x is equal to 1. 2 into 1 square. 2 minus 5 into 1 minus 5 plus 3. 2 plus 3, 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, and then put 3 by 2. It's also solve this equation by 0. Therefore, find the roots of equation are 3 by 2 and 1. What is roots? Roots are of equations are 3 by 2 and 1. Okay? Again, find the roots of the equation by factorization. It is 2x square minus 5x plus 3 is equal to 0, which is our quadratic equation. Equals to 0. With this equation by splitting method, we find factorization factors 2x minus 3, x minus 1 is equal to 0. Each factor equating with 0. 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then we get x is equal to 3 by 2 and x is equal to 1. Therefore, roots of quadratic equations are 3 by 2 and 1. Example number 4. Find the roots of quadratic equation 6x square minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. Here we say that bifactorization method. We know here first we know bifactorization method. 6x square minus x minus 2. 6 2s are 12. Then subtract these factors of 12. Its subtraction is 1 because it is minus sign. 6x square into minus 2 minus 12x square. We split here minus x as its product two factors whose sum or subtraction whose sum is 1 minus 1 and subtract its product is minus 12x square. Therefore, we here split minus 4x plus 3x. Minus x minus 4 3s are 12 minus 12x square. Then 6x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. You know factor of this method? Bracket of two terms. Common factor 2x. 2 3s are 6x square minus 2 2s are 4 plus here common factor is 1. Therefore 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. We write 3x minus 2 2x plus 1 equals to 0. Its two factors are linear two factors are this. Then we write each factor equating by 0. 3x minus 2 equals to 0 and 2x plus 1 equals to 0. 3x is equals to 2, x is equals to 2 by 3. Here 2x is equals to minus 1, x is equals to minus 1 by 2. These two are x is equals to 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 2 are roots of quadratic equation or roots of quadratic equation are which are they? They are 2 by 3 and minus 1 upon 2. 2 by 3 and minus 1 upon 2. Now example number 6. 5. Find the roots of quadratic equation 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Here we split 2 root 6 as 3 2s are 6. Then we 2 root 6. Now 3 2s are 6. Its sum becomes 2 root 6. We 6 factors of 6 are root 6 and root 6 is equal to product is equal to 6 and its sum is equal to root 6 plus root 6 2 root 6 signs given minus root 6 minus root 6 then minus 2 root 6. Okay, we split as minus root 6 minus root 6. 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x plus 2 is equal to 0. Splitting these terms by minus root 6x minus root 6x. Therefore minus 2 root 6x and its product is 6 root 6 into root 6. 6x square. 3x square into here 3x square into 2 is equal to 6x square, that is with root 6x into root 6x minus root 6x minus. Write in bracket 3x square minus root 6x minus sign is minus, then change in this bracket root 6x minus 2 equals to 0. 3, root 3 into root 3, and factors of root 6, root 3 into root 2. You write like this, root 3 into root 3 r square. For your understanding, don't write here. For your understanding this term, minus factor of root 6, root 3 into root 2 x, minus here root 3 into root 2x, minus factor of root 2 into root 2. Like this. This is a word for an understanding. In this term, what is common term? Root 3. X square x, therefore x. Root 3x, we write root 3 into root 3. That means here root 3x minus root 3 common, therefore root 2. You write this term, it's not wrong. You write for understanding. Here I write for understanding, otherwise you know this term, then you write directly this term. Okay? You write this term, root 3x common, therefore remaining terms are root 3x minus root 2. Here, which is common? Minus root 2. Then remaining terms are root 3 into x minus root 2 equals to 0. Root 3x minus root 2 is bracket common, and root 3x minus root 2 remaining terms are written in bracket. Therefore, it is equating two factors equating with 0. Root 3x minus root 2 equals to 0, and root 3x minus root 2 equals to 0. Root 3x is equals to root 2, and root 3x is equals to root 2. X is equals to root 2 upon root 3. Root 2 upon root 3. Therefore, x is equals to under root 2 by 3. And here, x is equals to under root 2 by 3. Therefore, factors of roots of, I write here, roots of equations are root 2 by 3 and root 2 by 3, which is our answer. Okay? Example number 5.